Let's continue. Let's start our class. Before we start, again, I would like to request you to stay at your home, cover your mouth, wash your hands regularly, and I would like to forbid you to wander about here and there, to and fro. Heroism does not mean in this time to wander around here and there, to wander around across places. Heroism presently does mean to remain lonely, to remain away from others, so that we can remove COVID-19 from our beautiful earth. Let's start. I would also ask you to find our previous videos of English class or English classes in this channel, so that you can understand the text wholeheartedly or in a complete understanding. To be sure, certainly or surely, to be sure, father didn't seem to have any relations except us. Father, the father of the narrator, it appeared that the narrator's father had no relation except the narrator and her brother. These used to puzzle Claude and me. These used to perplex. These used to make them puzzle. These used to confuse Claude and the narrator. Why? They had no relation. Everybody on the mainland had relations. The narrator was grief stricken. Everybody, because of everybody on the mainland had relations, but they had no relations. This fact always puzzled Claude and the narrator. This fact always made the narrator confused. This fact always made the brother of the author and the narrator puzzled. Why hadn't we? A question in relation to relationships. arose in her mind. Why hadn't we? Why had they not relations? Was it because we lived on an island? Was it? It is a rather a thought arose in her mind that perhaps it was because of their living in an island. We thought it would be so jolly to have an uncle and aunt and some cousins. They thought it would be so jolly, it would be so amusing, it would be so happy to have an uncle and aunt and some cousins, meaning relations. Once we asked father about it, once they asked their father about why they had not relation, but he looked so sorrowful. Her father looked so sorrowful that we wished we hadn't. They wished it was better not to ask their father. He said it was all his fault. He said, the father of the narrator said that it was all his fault. It was all his fault. They had no relation because of her father's own fault. Claude and I didn't understand what he meant. But this statement didn't make them clarify why he had told so. He said it was all his fault. It was behind their understanding. It was very critical for them to understand why he said so. To be sure, এটা ঠিকই নিশ্চিতভাবে father didn't seem to have any relations except us. আমরা ছাড়া বাবাকে দেখে মনে হতো না কোনো আত্মীয় আছে বলে। This used to puzzle Claude and me. এবং এই বিষয়টায় আমাকে এবং ক্লডকে হতবুদ্ধি করত, হতভম্ব করত। Everybody on the mainland had relations. মূল ভূখণ্ডে কিন্তু সকলেরই আত্মীয় ছিল। Why hadn't we? তাহলে আমাদের কেন ছিল না? Was it because we lived on an island? এটা কি আমরা দ্বীপে বাস করি সেজন্য? We thought it would be so jolly to have an uncle and aunt and some cousins. আমরা ভাবতাম, আমরা ভেবেছিলাম এটা খুব আনন্দের হতো যদি আমাদের কোনো কাকু, কোনো কাকিমা বা খুড়তো ভাই বোন থাকতো। ওয়ান্স উই আস্ক ফাদার, একবার আমরা বাবাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলাম এই নিয়ে, বাট হি লুকড সো সরোফুল, কিন্তু তাকে এতটাই বিষণ্ণ দেখাচ্ছিল, এতটাই তাকে দুঃখী দেখাচ্ছিল, দ্যাট উই উইশড উই হ্যাডন্ট, যে আমরা হয়তো জিজ্ঞাসা না করলেই ভালো হতো। হি সেড ইট ওয়াজ অল হিজ ফল্ট, তিনি বলেছিলেন দোষটা তারই। ক্লড অ্যান্ড আই ডিডন্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড, ক্লড এবং আমি বুঝতে পারিনি হোয়াট হি মেন্ট, তিনি কি বলতে চেয়েছিলেন। নাও লেটস নো meaning or meanings of some words. Puzzle. What does the word puzzle mean? It means confuse. Jolly. What does the word jolly mean? It means cheerful. Sorrowful. What does the word sorrowful mean? It means sad. What does the word fault mean? It means error. Error. Ripples. Ripples refers to small waves. Small waves. You know what wave is? Small waves on the surface of a water body. Water body like pond, sea, ocean, lake, tripped. What does the word tripped mean? It means tumbled. Hochot khawa. Tumbled. Handy. What does the word handy mean? It means useful. Patched. What does the word patched mean? It means mended to cover a hole. A hole by attaching something to it. Patched. Soared. Rise above by flying. Float. You know, float. The word float is used when someone or something is on water, but soared, it refers to the flying on air. Soared, rise above by flying. Cord, thread, you know well, cord refers to thread. Cord means thread. Widow, a woman whose husband is dead. Widow. Inland, land far from sea coast. Far away from sea coast. Thus, these are the meanings of these words. You can write down these meanings for your better understanding. Start. Now let's discuss about some questions. Did it seem to have her father any relations except her and her brother? Did it seem to have her father any relations except her and her brother? No. It seemed they had no relations, or her father had no relations except her and her brother. Why did Claude and the narrator feel puzzled? Why did these incidents that they had no relations, these incidents made Claude and the narrator feel puzzled? Who had relations on the mainland? Everybody on the mainland had relations. What did they think? What did they think? They think. What did they think? You should brood on the tense of a question. Here the question is asked in past tense. So you need your answer in past tense. What did they think? They thought it would be a matter of jolly. They thought it would be an incidence of happiness if they had relations like uncle, aunt, or cousins. Why did the narrator's father feel sorrowful? The narrator's father felt sorrowful when the narrator and her brother asked their father why had not their relations. Why had not their relations? When this question was asked by the narrator and her brother, their father felt sorrowful. What had Claude and the narrator not understand? The narrator and Claude. Or and the narrator not understand. The question should be like this. What had Claude and the narrator not understood, or what did Claude and the narrator not understand? They didn't understand, or they had not understood. They didn't understand. It would be better. It would be a better question. They didn't understand what their father meant when he had answered that it had been his own fault. What did their father mean? They didn't understand. Thus, these are the questions you should discuss or read thoroughly. A very good story. And the unit 1 we have just finished. Unit 1. I think you would read this text carefully. I would also advise you to read again and again for a better understanding. Let's stay at our home. Let's read these lessons carefully. Let's cover our mouth with masks. Let's read numerous videos uploaded by incredible teachers around networking sites. Let's share these videos so that your friends will also be enriched. Thank you very much. Stay well, stay tuned.